Imagine a piece of history, a beautiful 400-year-old hall, slowly crumbling under the relentless assault of rain. That's the stark reality facing Gosforth Public Hall in Seascale, Cumbria. This isn't just about bricks and mortar, it's about the heart of a community teetering on the brink. The hall has now been officially placed on Historic England's at-risk register, a warning sign that urgent action is needed to save it. This Grade 2 listed building, a jewel of 17th-century architecture, has stood strong since around 1628. Originally built for Robert and Isabel Copley, it wasn't until 1930 that it became a public hall, gifted to the village and transforming into a vibrant hub. Inside, you'd find a library brimming with stories, meeting rooms buzzing with ideas, and a shared hall echoing with laughter and activity. Think of it as the village's living room, a place where memories are made. But here's where it gets controversial. While well-intentioned, past repair attempts have inadvertently worsened the situation. A building survey revealed that the original mortar and render had been replaced with concrete render. And this is the part most people miss. Concrete, while strong, doesn't allow the building to breathe properly. Trapped moisture has caused significant degradation to the hall structure over the decades. The problem? Cumbria's notorious weather. Driving rain from the west coast, explains Peter Barlow, Northwest architect for Historic England, is relentlessly penetrating the roof and walls. Jacqueline Williams, Gosforth Parish Council Clerk, paints a vivid picture. Decades of rainwater collecting within a concrete sandwich, slowly but surely destroying the building's fabric. However, there's hope on the horizon. Historic England has stepped in with a crucial intervention, committing £425,000 from the government's Heritage At-Risk Capital Fund. This substantial investment will fund vital repairs, including a new roof and re-rendering of the weather-exposed sections. The goal is to restore the hall to its former glory and ensure its long-term survival. Beyond its structural importance, Gosforth Public Hall plays a vital role in the community. Amateur dramatic societies bring stories to life on its stage, university groups gather to learn and collaborate, and the Women's Institute fosters connection and camaraderie. According to Ms. Williams, the hall is utterly essential to village life, combating social isolation in a remote rural area. Mr. Barlow emphasizes that its reach extends far beyond the immediate village, serving a much wider area as a vital community hub. The upcoming repairs, scheduled for completion over the winter period, will undoubtedly cause some disruption. The listed part of the hall is currently closed, but Ms. Williams assures us that the villagers are overwhelmingly supportive of the work. They understand that this temporary inconvenience is a necessary step to secure the hall's future. The hall's beamed ceilings and inglenook fireplace are notable points of heritage interest that will be preserved. This situation raises some interesting questions. Should modern materials ever be used on historical buildings, even if they seem like a quick fix? Or is it always better to stick with traditional methods, even if they're more expensive and time-consuming? And what responsibility do we have, as a society, to protect these historical landmarks for future generations? Share your thoughts and opinions in the comments below. We'd love to hear what you think.